Hello Bladers! Are you a big fan of the Avengers? Have you ever thought about giving your car a super upgrade? And by super, we mean super. Nick Fury just called in for the Avengers to assemble. Here are just some super upgrades you would wish to see on the road. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are the 3 superhero-themed cars set up. Number 1, Ford Mustang 350R, Captain America. We all know that Captain America was frozen through time. Some say that he had an old-school taste for cars. Yeah, right. Number 2, Chevrolet Corvette Z06, Iron Man. Now everyone has been wondering if Jarvis is installed in this badass. But we're all guessing that Tony Stark pretty much made this car automatic in many ways possible. Number 3, Mercedes G63 AMG 6x6, Hulk. Who would have thought that the green-smashing superhero is into 6x6 cars? Well, we're all pretty sure that this is one smashing vehicle. Aside from the awesome roar of the V10s and carbon fiber, these superhero-themed cars are every child's dream. Make your dream a reality and give your car a superhero-themed setup. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.